Hello guys, today we are going to create a weapon trail in Niagara. Generally, we use Cascade to create this kind of effect because it's very convenient for adding start and end position of the trail in the animation. However, Niagara doesn't have such an option, so today we will make it as easy to use in Niagara as is in Cascade. First, we need a skeletal mesh and a weapon animation. Yeah, just like this. And then we need to create two sockets on the skeletal mesh. Right-click bone, add socket. We need two sockets, rename them to trail start and trail end. Okay, now let's check the position of the sockets. Trail start should be near the handle and trail end should be near the tip of the blade. Yes, now let's create Niagara system. Here we use ribbon render. Emitter state is self infinite. Add spawn rate 100. Ribbon width may be 20. Okay, let's go back to animation. We need to add this Niagara in animation. In notifies, we add a notify state. Select Niagara. And use our trail. Socket name we can use trail start. Now we can see the weapon trail in the animation. Yes, it isn't correct, so we need to modify it. Return to Niagara. First, we need a user parameter, skeletal mesh. We can skip setting preview value. Add two sockets. Name is trail start and trail end. These names must match the socket's name in the skeletal mesh. Okay, in particle spawn we need two positions, start and end, so let's add sample skeletal mesh. Yes, add two. Skeletal mesh is user skeletal mesh. Mesh sampling type is socket and direct. Yes, index 0. It's trail start. And second is same, but this index is 1, is trail end. Okay, now let's add a particle position. Yes, we rename it to trail position. And we set this parameter in particle spawn. Add a lerp. Position 1 is sample skeletal mesh position. Position 2 is the second sample position. And alpha we set it to 0.5. And then initialize particle we set position mode to direct sight. Yes, use trail position. And left time may be 0.2. Okay, go back to animation. Yes, we can see the trail position is correct. However, the ribbon width is still wrong, so we need to set it based on the sample position. So let's add a new parameter. Rename it to trail width. Also, we set it in particle spawn. Here, we add a distance between positions. Yes, this module. A and B, they are same like trail position. Okay, now initialize particle ribbon width is trail width. Go back to animation. Yeah, that's right. Trail width is correct. Even if we scale the skeletal mesh in the level, the trail will scale proportionally without manual adjustment. Yes, it's very convenient. But we can see the ribbon's facing is incorrect, so let's modify ribbon facing in Niagara. Add a vector parameter. Rename it to trail facing. Also, we need to set it in particle spawn. Normalize the vector and subtract position. Yes, A and B, they are same. And then initialize particle, we set ribbon facing mode to direct side. The value is trail facing. Also in ribbon render, facing mode is custom side vector. Now go back to animation. Yes, that's right. Now we created a weapon trail effect in Niagara, just like in Cascade. Simply add the effect and enter the socket name without further adjustment. Now let's create a material. Make this trail like a sword trail. The material is simple, so we will fast forward this part. Always translucent and lit, enable two-sided, and add a noise texture. Text chord panel tiling is 0.2 and 2. Panel is -2 and 0.2. And then we need a mask. Text chord component mask R channel. Multiply a parameter and 1 - subtract this noise texture. And then add a particle color. Use alpha channel multiplied by this mask. Oh yes, we can add another mask. Make this edge smoothing. Okay, multiply them and add a depth fade. This opacity. Particle color, we can power this node. Yes, 2 is okay. Multiply by RGB channel. This is emissive color. Okay, go back to Niagara, we use this material and add a color in particle update. We use curve control the color. Right to blue. Okay, scale color is 100 and scale alpha we use template curve. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like a sword trail. And then we need to set trail duration in the animation. Okay, like this. Now let's put this sword in the level. Also, we can scale its size. And let's play. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.